I have done a lot of Myntra hauls in my life, but this one blew my mind. I picked up not 4, not 5, not 6, but 7 kurta sets, not even kurtas, for under 500 rupees. I think one of them is also with the dupatta, which is just mind-blowing. Everything under 500 rupees, and I think with some extra discounts on Myntra right now you can get them for under 450 rupees. So I'm very excited to share them with you guys because I'm also wearing one from the haul right now. It's so comfy. Let's jump right into it. So let's start with the one that I'm wearing. This is from the brand Anouk. In fact, most of them are from Anouk, and I feel like Anouk as a brand is probably selling their clothes for very, very cheap right now, but not compromising on the quality. This is made of the viscose rayon material, and it has a geometric print, V-neck, 3/4 sleeves. I absolutely love the color. Very bright, perfect for the summer. This comes with the palazzo, which has an elasticated waist, so it easily fits whichever waist size that you have. I picked it up in the size small, and I can definitely say it's one of my favorites from this haul. Please do note that because these kurta sets are so affordable, they sell out really, really quickly. I remember when I was placing the order, within me adding to the cart and while I was checking out, a lot of them went out of stock. So high chance that a lot of these might go out of stock, but the one that I'm wearing and I just spoke about is, I think, quite a bit in stock because a lot of sizes are available. So hurry, get your hands on it if you want to. The next one is a sleeveless one with the bandhani print on it, again from the brand Anouk. Got it in the size small. The fabric is also viscose rayon for this one, so very comfortable. These also come with black pants, which are also elasticated, so comfortable to wear. I love how it fits. It's a straight fit and very, very comfortable. I absolutely would love to wear sleeveless kurtas in the summers because they are so airy, and these sleeves tend to make you feel slightly hot, but I get that not everyone likes wearing sleeveless kurtas, which is why I have a lot of other recommendations. I will still try to give you guys alternative links in case any of these sell out, so you have more options to choose from. Next up is another one of my favorites. This is so comfortable, so airy. Even though I'm a size small, it is slightly loose fitting, which is exactly what you need in summers. You don't want to wear something that is too tight or too body fitting, and the color, which is like a mint green, is so beautiful for this season. I absolutely love it. And this again comes with a pair of palazzos, which is green in color, and when you pair it with the palazzo, it looks like such a nice comfy kurta. And I'm just like shook and so surprised by the good quality that Anouk is selling their products at right now. Moving on to the next kurta. Until now I've shown you guys a lot of casual kurtas, but this one is slightly formal because this also comes with a dupatta, and it is a 3-piece set under 500 rupees. This also had 3 other colors in it. I felt like since this is more of a formal kurta set, you could wear this for office. If I'm not wrong, all the kurta sets that I picked up are viscose rayon, and none of them are really like pure cotton. If you found this video helpful till now and have enjoyed watching this video, please do hit that like, share and subscribe button. Let's move on to a slightly brighter color kurta, and this purple burgundy color is so bright with an ethnic motif print going on. I would ideally not be a fan of this color, but I wanted to give it a try, so I will let you guys take a call on whether you like this kurta set or not. If this is a color that you like, go ahead and pick it up because the price at which you're getting it is amazing. Moving on to another 3-piece set which comes with the dupatta is a sleeveless kurta from Anouk for exactly 500 rupees. The color is a beige creamish with a red-green print on it. The dupatta is actually very subtle. It's a cream colored plain dupatta with cigarette pants. This is not a palazzo, and I feel like this color is so light that you would want to pick it out of the wardrobe if you have this in your closet because it's such a light, easy breezy kurta. And like I said, sleeveless kurtas would be my ideal kurtas for this season, so I would highly recommend that you get this for yourself. If I had to pick favorites from this haul, I would rate all of them same, like a 10 on 10. Maybe not the purple one as such because I'm not a fan of the print or the color as much, but everything else that I've picked out, I have picked out after spending at least an hour and a half or 2 on Myntra to make sure that whatever I'm picking out should be in stock hopefully by the time this video goes live. And there might be a few sizes that aren't, but all of it is in stock right now, and I'm going to make sure that I post this video ASAP so you guys can get your hands on this. But even if you're not able to, don't worry because I will link alternate kurta sets for you guys in the same range. Moving on to the last two kurtas, which are both pink in color. I'm surprised that I've only picked up two pinks out of everything. Anyway, I realized this one is just the kurta, does not come with a pair of pants. Because I thought it's from Anook, it would also be a kurta set, but for some reason I missed that. However, this is just for 300 rupees. It's the same black bandhani kurta in pink, but without the pants. So if you are someone who already has white pants or pink pants that would go with it, you can still get this for yourself. Moving on to the last one is another bandhani print, and again from Anook. This comes with a palazzo set. The pink is really bright, so if you're someone who's not a fan of such bright pink colors, you might want to stay away from this, but it would be great for college and office. In fact, everything would be perfect for office and college, or just sitting at home, or even stepping out for a casual outing, except obviously if you have a college dress code where you can't wear sleeveless stuff, then you can't wear the sleeveless kurtas, but at home you definitely can. This wraps up the entire kurta haul. I hope you guys found this helpful and enjoyable. I'm going to link everything down below like I said, and I will try to do more hauls because you guys have been requesting it. But this one was super affordable. When I saw that Myntra is giving out kurta sets for such less prices, I had to share it with you guys. So that's it for now. I will see you guys in my next video super soon. Bye bye.